Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to see about something really amazing because any code base that you take, a Codex, Gemini client, Claude Code, or Copilot, we need to pay for the tokens that we use from it. We need to have an API key in order to use these code bases, and they will have a limit for based on our subscriptions. But what if I say that we don't have to pay it anymore, that we can use code bases as the way we want it? So I came across this JCode from the GitHub. So you can directly download or clone the repository and make use of it. What it does is you can have a chat and it will act like your code base and it does the job for you, but without paying a single penny. Let's get started with few commands that you need to do. Instead of like cloning or downloading it, you can start using from this, and later you can start with JCode command. Yes, so it is asking for a beginning session that it can actually do. When I started with this finding bug in what I've been working on, it just analyzed all my folders and just gave few items that it need improvement. So I'm not going to do all that again. I'm just going to give a quick demo so that you can make use of it. But this actually works, finding bugs in your entire folder, and it just go through folder by folder and gives you back, but you don't have to pay anything. I'll tell you that. Wait. So I just interrupted this entire session. What you're seeing here is memories, and you can switch models from one to another. It is supported with Claude Code, Gemini, and Copilot. You can switch from one model to another model also. There are options which is available, but I'm going with JCode so that I just wanted to see like how long I can make use of it. One advantage of using JCode is that you are having a memory, which means you can ask to resume the session that you were previously worked on. Based on certain keywords, it will understand and go back with the things that you were working with JCode. For example, you can give me something I was working with you using Fast API, and it gives you the list of things that it was working with Fast API. Let's start with simple, task. So I'm just going to give draw me a mermaid system architecture diagram of a microservice that handles user registration and payment processing. I just wanted to know how it actually answered me for this question. Yeah, it gave me. So in terms of latency, it is very fast than the other code bases. If you see here, this is a comparison I just made using Notebook LM. So JCode compared to other code bases, the latency for baseline, and if you take with input and render latency, is very less compared to other code bases, because it uses like approximately 15 more RAM, like 90 or like approximately like 15 to 30. But here what you see is like only 10 MB of extra spaces with the example to baselines, I mean with respect to baselines, and TTFF, which is like tokens which can render and input, I mean given respond back. So we can just see like it gave me with 7.7 seconds immediate response. When I ask the same question to Claude, let's see like how it is answering. So I'm giving the same session question for Claude. So you can see the seconds it took to respond. It is 11 seconds. So for 4 seconds, it was processing the question, and it was planning, and it gave me in 11 seconds. I'm paying for this and it gave me like in 11 seconds, but this is something which is for free. And also, here is a previous session that I was working with JCode. So it is actually giving me that I was worked with JCode, and it just gave me the quick report for it. This report is something that reminds me of that what I was working previously. So, and there is one command that I came across where we can dictate to it. Let me try that. So when I gave dictate, it's supposed to take voice commands. That is what gave in the document, but I don't know like how it actually works. Let me try again with bold. Oh, okay. So we can actually connect the dictation section into it. It is like connecting tools, and we can actually use it like a voice command or something. So nice. I didn't know. I thought when I give a dictate command, it will directly um, take my voice as an input and do it automatically. But if we allow, of course, I can understand it is a free version, and it is giving me answers like a chat GPT, and we don't need to have like internet for it. It is running using Olama pre-installed and integrated with Olama, so it can answer without internet also. So you can have it and make use of it. This I didn't expect that it is there actually, and we have like plenty of tools like this, and I'll let you know like if I come across any of these, but it is completely free. What you're seeing here is number of tokens and other metrics that JCode is using, and they have a detailed explanation in their Git repo. You can go through that and let me know how it is. And it is very simple to install also. It is not going to take huge memory in your Mac or Window. Both for both the OS it is available, and you can connect tools. You can connect to client and server, and you can switch to models. So it is more than what we had in Codebases, because it has a memory and it remembers what we were working previously on. So that is why it is better comparatively to other code bases, I feel. So I need to explore more on this. It may be helpful for so many of you who are in college, who are struggling to have like get subscriptions and to work on your projects also. This is the best to have for now, and you can make use of it. And it is more something I just came across. So good luck with that. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Bye.